In this video, I want to talk about a very important concept or a very important function or a method, we can call it range. Well, range is very, very important. We have to know this. So range is mostly used in Python in loops. With loops means like specifically with for loop, we can use this. But range is known from its name that it is a range of something. For example, I want to have range of 100. Well, how it can be shown? Let's print out this. We will see what will be the output. Well, a range of 100 from 0 till 100. We have not added any starting point or any starting number, but it has taken the number 0 till 100 from here. So range is very important. For example, we have this, well, a number. For number in range of 0 till 100. So it is a for loop and we have used this range function. I want to print the number. If I comment out this, what will be the output? Well, it has started from 0 till 100, but not 100. It is stopped in 99. Well, range does this because it starts from 0. If I add 101, so it will stop in 100. So this is the range function. So we have here like number. Sometimes we don't need this number. Like we have this. We don't need that number. Or underscore. We have underscore. So Python interpreter does not consider anything here. If you add or if you don't. For example, let's see. If I hover, it will be a variable. It is called variable. Variable is integer. So obviously, because here we have a number, we have an integer number. That's why it is a variable. So it is very important to know this. But let's have here like one more thing too. What will be the output? Can you guess it? Well, yes, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. It will goes on till 98. Why it is like this? Because in, well, earlier I said this, and method, when we reached or when we access the index of any string or list or like this, like any attribute, so we have this like step over. It is like well, start, stop, and step over. It was like this, but here we do not have this column. We have comma here, so it works same as like this. It is the step over. For example, we have 4 here, and if I print once again, 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and it goes like this. So this is step over value. So it's very, very important. You have to understand this, and you have to understand this range function. Range function is mostly used with, well, loops in Python, specifically with for loop. So next time when you have built a big project and you, well, you find the need for this range function, you will use it. I'm sure you have understood